Still using separate processes for tube punching and flanging? This CNC system completes both operations in one automated production cycle. A CNC punching and flanging machine integrates punching and flanging processes into one automated system. Automated control enables one-step forming, enhancing machining precision while reducing manual operation. During processing, the machine performs precise punching and flanging based on preset parameters. A typical processing cycle takes approximately 3 to 7 seconds per hole, depending on tube material, diameter, wall thickness, and hole dimensions. Processing parameters can be adjusted through the CNC control interface for different products. The system can be configured for copper, aluminum, and stainless steel tubes, meeting diverse material and production requirements. After processing, every product achieves stable accuracy in angle, hole diameter, and pitch, ensuring reliable and precise results. CNC punching and flanging machine is used for punching and flanging on the pipe wall of thin-walled tubes, also used in air conditioning, refrigerator, and solder tube processing industries. Send us your tube diameter, wall thickness, material, hole size, flange height, spacing, and product drawing. Bobo Machinery will recommend a CNC punching and flanging solution for your production requirements.